Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa, or in other terms entry visa, to the Republic of Moldova in short terms. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And I would also like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so first of all, many citizens do not require a visa to enter this Republic of Moldova, and list of countries whose nationals require invitations to apply for a visa to enter the Republic of Moldova. So it's really important that you go through these links first. List of foreigners who are required to hold a visa at the entrance, exit and transit of the territory. So you can find out, okay, anything. For example, if applying from India, you need the visa. List of country exempted having a visa at the entrance, and this also you can check. Like if I try, I don't need a visa if I want to go over there. So they have all the information, so you can check it out yourself. And list of foreigners who require to hold a visa, and okay, this also, like all the information they have given it here for you. You can check it and then you should come back to this page. Alright, now we'll go on to apply visa. Okay, so first you need to put the basic details like surname, first name, nationality. And again guys, I want to clarify that all the information I put here do not belong to any person. This is just sample, okay? But when you apply on your own, just apply based on your information, your situation, and not exactly what you see, because this is just a sample. Alright, because your actual case is going to be different and you need to apply as per your case. My intention is just to show you how to navigate through surveys. So I'm going to put some values here and then I'm going to click on complete the file. After you are through that step, it has generated a file for you and you'll have an email with further information. So go ahead and check your email. In your email, you are gonna get an application number that you are gonna need when you continue your application, and you will get 10 days after this step to complete the application. Otherwise, you got to start all over. So click on continue application. So it is now asking the details. So put file number, email, verification code, and click on continue application. So this is the first page where you have like basic details, your citizenship, nationality number. If not applicable, you can select that, and mandatory questions are with this red mark, so you can fill and you can go to the next section. So I'm gonna put some sample. You can see the sections over here. Next comes the travel document, then visa requested, invitation, transportation means, maintenance means, all the details they are gonna require. So this also is kind of a mini checklist of, although you can get that on the site. Payment, attaching documents, terms and conditions. So of course I'm not gonna pay, but before that I can definitely try to show you as much as I can. So travel document type, so basically your passport details, duration and country other than the citizenship. So if you select yes, you're gonna provide the details. So that's how it goes. And once you are done through this, click on next. I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna click on next. Comes the main area, which visa you are gonna apply. Let's see what are the options we have. Airport transit, business, cultural, minute, tourism, transport, and visiting friend or relative. So I'm selecting tourism. Some fields automatically got filled up. Number of entries, length of stay or transit. So I'm just gonna put some sample there. Visit purpose, like your visit details, okay, other visas, yours, and do you have a valid visa or residence permit issued by EU state or Schengen area? I select no, but if you have provided that details, so that's gonna be good. Now it has gone to transportation means, so this is only applicable if you are using transit. If not transit, just do this, okay. These are not mandatory fields, so I'm just going to click next. Otherwise I'll do Google and find out some city names and I'll fill up here. In your actual application, definitely provide the details. I mean, I have said initially also, do not fill it up like the way I am doing, because I am just making it like a sample going through the service, but you have to do it actual. So do not hide any detail. Provide the information, correct information. That's really important, and as per what they have asked. Now, trip ticket, do you have a reservation of a round way ticket? I select yes. Provide the following information: motor vehicle, travel by car. Okay, let me see if I can go to next. I could. Wow, maintenance means our travel costs and costs incurred during the stay supported. Okay, whatever the applicable in your case. Of course, they're going to ask you documentations based on that. Location of accommodation. Okay. Mission commitment. Okay. I selected no. So I'm going to put some sample, guys. One unit is for hotel, hostel, and its address. Okay. I'm going to put. Fortunately, it accepted. Medical insurance. I'm aware that of the need to have an adequate travel medical insurance for my first stay and any subsequent visits to the territory of the Republic of Moldova. I'm aware, okay, because you need to provide. Here comes the cost. So in this case, it's like 40 euros, and next is pay, and then attach documents, terms and conditions. Of course, I'm not gonna go to that stage, but you have got the idea. Okay, so thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.